So welcome to another episode of Houston's Hustle Hobbies. This is a show where I like to talk about all the ways that I like to make and save the most money because at the end of the day, hustling's my hobby. So, ever since I was a kid, I used to shop at thrift stores. As I'm sure you know, thrifting is a great way to make easy flips on some interesting finds that you might find here. But in order to make money in here, you got to know what you're doing, and this is where I come in. It's 3 steps. So here's how to make a flip with thrift. Step 1, know what you're looking for. Now in my case, I know tech, and what I found was these Linksys Wi-Fi mesh router systems for $3 a pop. So here are just a couple of do's and don'ts when you take your eBay pictures. First thing, don't have poor lighting. As you see, this lighting is poor. I got stuff in the background going on. It just doesn't look pretty to present to you. Do have decent lighting and crop unnecessary things out of your background. Only picture what is to be sold. Second, do carefully remove the sticker and make sure you clean up any residue. Matter of fact, give the items a good cleaning. Remember, spray the rag for electronics. Don't ever spray electronics directly. And give them a good wipe down. Make them nice and presentable. Third thing, don't lie about your products. If you have products and one of them's not working right, say that. If you advertise that something's working and it's not, it's a lie. Also illegal. Now, you won't get in trouble for it legally or anything, but when you're selling something to somebody else, you're a business now. And in the business world, nothing matters more than your reputation. So there is a rating system on eBay, and most of the time, people only rate you when you did something bad. So just remember that. Remember the golden rule, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Don't screw over people because, as we know, karma's a... Anyway, you post your photos with the button right here. Take a couple of nice pictures. Now, I like to do professional pictures by accident, what I call. So I'm showing all 3 routers and 2 adapters in the background. And that one will be my title pic. And then I'll do another one at a slightly different angle, showing that they're working. Take a picture of the bad power supply to let them know it's bad. Take a picture of the bottom, the back, and the top. And once again, the power supplies. And in here, you want to put in as many specifics as you know about your product. You want to make that circle as filled in with blue as possible when you put in your item specific. And then you always want to write in the description. AI now does it. I'll show you how to do that in a second. Now, I like to use AI to make up the description, which it'll do now in real time. Much better than what I was going to put. But what I do is put what I want to write on top. Now, they start at $6. Just be careful. Don't take offers, because if you don't take offers, people will try to lowball you, get all 3 routers for $6 and whatnot. Now, here's an interesting one. Promote your listing. So what you do is you can take a portion of what profit you're getting for eBay to help sell your product for more and faster. I usually keep it as what's suggested to move product. And then you're done. You can go ahead and list for free. And now my listing is live. And now we wait.
1 week later.
They sold for $30. Now we just need a box. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay. Make sure when you pack your things in the box that nothing moves around. I'd like to put a little bit more paper in that, but that's all I have. The advertisements for the week didn't come. Wrap it up, measure your box, and then print your label. And mail it out. Please be open, please be open, please be open, please be open. Yes. Drop it off at the post office. And you're done. eBay is a great way to get rid of any extra things that you haven't used in a while. A good rule of thumb that I like to use is anything that you haven't used for 6 months to a year, you should probably get rid of. And eBay is a great avenue to still sell something. So thanks for listening to me over here at Houston's Hustle Hobbies, where we always live high, live mighty, and we live righteously. Take it easy. I got a new shirt.